Tangjia. Tangjia. Alleys and streets, so quaint and so cool. Yeah, Tangjia. 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 Alleys and streets, so quaint and so cool. Yeah, Tangjia.
Okay, we're in Tangjia. We're gonna walk down these little alleys. So this is kind of this main street right here. So this one is the one that looks like this. There's all kinds of cool shops, including there's a cat coming out of where those turtles are at. This looks like a little cool kind of antique shop place. There's a dumpling shop, looks like it's open. And there's lots of cool stuff down that way. That's actually where we're more the heart of it. But I want to explore more of these little alleys. So I'm gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and we're gonna walk down it. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this alley right in here. There's some really cool stuff down that way. Let me just kind of walk down that a little bit. But we're gonna be going down that one. I just kind of see. Oh, okay. Looks like kind of a cafeteria right in there. Oh, so it looks like okay. It's like a nice restaurant. Has those kind of Chinese style. There's actually some people down that way. There's like some nice little places down there too. But we are gonna walk down our target street of Longqing Road. And I don't know what to expect on it. I haven't walked down this one yet. I have seen this right here. So I saw before, I've seen like they'll set up some live music on the weekend. I saw once. Since 1981. Huh. It's kind of cool. You can actually sit there. I don't know if that's a private one. Looks like a private garden spot. Huh. It's like a card room. So there's actually a card room right here. And other games too. Huh. Right there. And then there's the cards right there. And I think that looks like a pool table right there. So maybe you can play cards inside, and you can also play pool. I don't know if it's still running or not. Little alleys. I'm kind of curious how far this street goes. Here's some nice, beautiful trees. These little shrines, they have these in Macau everywhere as well. I didn't know that they had them in Zhuhai. I've been noticing they have more than I thought. Park benches. This looks like it goes into private property right there, so there's a fence around it. Oh, okay. So it looks like this goes into, there's a guard right there, so I don't know if that guard is because you can't go left or because you can't go straight. Huh. This looks like kind of cool space. So I don't know how that goes. Can I walk into there? Can I walk that way? Oh. Wow, there's some really beautiful spaces in here. So I think we're still on our Target Street, and it looks like there's let's see, right there. So I think our street end is right there, and then Tangjia, and it looks like there's actually other stuff up in these hills a little bit. Another welcome sign too. So I think that actually, I'm gonna just go to the end. I think it goes out to some main road. I'm just curious how that links together. There's like some big balconies up there. Let's go find out what that's up there. So I guess I think this is the side, so that actually goes up against the mountain all the way down that way. I think Sun Yat-sen University is here, restaurant, and then they can bring people in. So there's our Target Street right there. There's apartments. So I think that's the barrier right here, and then the edge goes all the way down like that. That's what I think. So I think that's as far as we can go. So we're gonna end it right there, or no, we're gonna continue. We're gonna pause it right here. So as far as I can tell, like these just kind of go into little apartments. That's actually where there's guards that stop traffic from coming in. So I think this is supposed to be pedestrian unless you live here. That's what I think. So there's like some cars in here, but I think it's not open to the general public just to drive in. It's an amazing balcony up there. You got all that space like that. I kind of have a feeling that the space in these areas would be quite amazing. Like somebody that lives out here would have some space. And so I think that other guard was maybe just to watch in case people broke through the second one. Fashion. Okay. So we basically just walked that street up to there. We could kind of see the exit point. There's the card shop again, and then we're gonna go right back to this main road again. Check out how cool some of these apartments are. Like, that looks amazing. Those little space like that. This is where I saw the live music another time. But what we're gonna do next is we're going to, I'll show you on the street sign again. So our little street that we did was this one. That's kind of my goal, is to kind of see these little ones. And we're gonna add a little bit of this one, Shanfanglu, which is actually this whole main road. So we'll just walk down a little bit until I see another side street. But these side streets come off of this kind of main road in Tangjia Village. So this one, Shanfanglu, is kind of where I think is where more the center street, I guess, best way to say it. And you can feel it already, right? There's more cooler stuff. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna be looking for more smaller streets, and I'm gonna film different things. So I think that this one actually went back into that other spot that I was in a little bit. So I'll just walk in just briefly, but it looks like it's more residential more than businesses. So I did see all that and those apartments like that. And then we're gonna walk, and there's more in that direction as well. Then we have some convenience stores around here. Some nice apartments up there. You can see all those glasses up in the top there. Let me just I just want to take a look and see what's in some of these other side streets. So it'd be probably interesting to explore any of these. Look kind of residential. There are signs though. I'm kind of in an exploratory mood, so let me just see what's in these areas. Huh. So that could be I could be meandering around in all kinds of little stuff in here. I love that, those lanterns like that. I feel like someday this whole area will just keep growing and growing. And who knows, there could be all kinds of interesting stuff in all these little spaces. There's a big beautiful tree right there. And I think this might be the ending spot for my video. It kind of gives me a, so that's just some nice murals all the way down this way. Courtyard. Easy. Oops. I'm just gonna walk down just a little bit. I just want to see. I was thinking maybe filming. This looks like these are these old walls. They have these in Macau. Those are usually made out of like oyster shells. I'm just curious just to walk down some of these alleys a little bit, just to kind of see what's in them. So we're gonna label it according to that other one. I think the street is gonna end. But yeah, there are all kinds of cool little alleys everywhere. Yeah, for some reason there's like stuff here. Huh. And they are bringing people into the alleys. Okay, so I'm gonna come to an ending. I'm gonna go around and see what's on the other side of this wall here. I have a feeling the wall. Well, Tangjia Village is an ancient village, so they're probably. Let me see. Oh yeah, it is. So there's the wall right there. So it's probably the Tangjia Village walls. Oh, that's interesting. 1644. So I can't read all this stuff, but 1644, the Portuguese. So there was probably this small little village. Anyways, Portuguese were in Macau in like 1555, 1557, I think, something like that. Okay. So we have all these things. There's stuff like this, casual dining. Huh. Horse up there. Okay. So anyways, I think I'm gonna end it. There's more here too. There's always more. That's the thing. There's always more. I can easily walk in these alleys up there too. But anyways, I think this is a good spot for ending our video. There we go. Slice of Macau for you.
So cool, Tangjia.